Hello dear students, this is Akshay, the Till in charge of Sanjay Ghodak International School, Kolhapur. In last session I taught you how to design a three-dimensional objects in Tinkercad. In this session I am going to teach you how to design a virtual circuits in the same software that the software is Tinkercad. Okay. To design 3D designs I told you to click on the 3D design, but to design circuits we have to click on circuits first. Then for new circuits or for new project, just click on create new circuit. Okay, today we are building one small circuit, one mini project. The name of that project is LED. So what are the components required for that project? First one is Arduino Uno, second one is LED, third one is breadboard. What is Arduino microcontroller board? Arduino microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation that includes processor, memory, and some input-output chip pins on a single chip. We can find it microcontroller in robots, machines, some medical equipment, devices, then mobile radio transceivers, and some home appliances. In some vehicles also we can find it. Okay. So to start with, first we have to go to search tab and we have to search their Arduino. Okay, here you can see Arduino Uno R3. Just click and drop upon the workplace. Same it is same as a 3D design. In 3D design we are dragging and dropping that 3D blocks. Here we have to drag and drop the components, electronic components. Here you can see on the same microcontroller here is IC integrated chip. Then some input output pins. These are digital pins, these are power pins, these are some analog pins. Okay, now we will take one breadboard. Okay, breadboard, we will take one breadboard. So first cancel this, then just select the, just type breadboard. You can take a mini breadboard here. Okay, to rotate this you can use this tab. To rotate this you can use this tab. Okay, now just click here and type LED. Here already LED we are getting, drag and drop upon the breadboard. You can see here one pin is showing anode and another pin is showing cathode. Anode means positive terminal of a LED. LED means light emitting diode. Okay, and another terminal cathode means negative terminal of a light emitting diode like LED. Okay. So always remember, anode or terminal of LED we have to attach to pin number 0 to 13 any pin, and the cathode terminal we have to attach to only 3 pins. These 2 ground pins, otherwise 1 ground pin. We have to attach cathode terminal to the ground and anode to the pin number D0 to D13 any pin. But if we are attaching this anode to pin number 13, then that will be easy because no need of any external resistor. If we are attached, because already to pin number 13 already inbuilt resistor is there, that's why we can call pin 13 as a inbuilt LED. Okay, otherwise if you want to attach to pin number 0 to 12 any pin, then we have to put one resistor also. This resistor you can see. Just click on LED and select here color, orange, whatever color you want you just take. Now I am taking a green. Now we will connect this LED to the Arduino. As I told, click on this terminal. Okay, and attach this negative terminal or cathode terminal of LED to ground pin of Arduino. Done. Then next, just a minute. Next, positive terminal of means anode terminal of LED to the pin number 13 we have to attach. So just click here and attach to pin number 13. Done. Now our circuit is done. Okay, now go to code block, delete this code and start building new code. Okay, already I told pin number 13 is an inbuilt LED, so we can say set built-in LED high. We are making that high means we are turning on that LED. If we are making low means we are turning off that LED. To turn on we have to make that high, to turn off we have to make that low. So set inbuilt LED to high means just turn on LED high. For how much time you have to say wait. Wait means delay. We can say delay. Wait for 1 second means that for 1 second that LED will remain on. After that again output. Set inbuilt LED means that was on. Now we have to make that off, so just click here and select low. Again go to control and select wait, off for 1 second. If you want for long time, you can select here 5 seconds. Okay, now code is ready. Now just click on start simulation. You can see that is starts blinking by delay of 5 seconds. That will turn on 5 seconds. Again that will turn off for 5 seconds. If you want to blink that fastly, then just decrease the delay here 1 second. Give 1 second. Wait for 1 second. Again start simulation. You can see now that will blink very fastly. Okay. If you want to blink that very slowly, just increase the delay. Only we have to increase the delay. In next part, I am going to teach you how to blink multiple LEDs on the same circuit. That LEDs we can blink serially also, and we can blink at the same time also. Okay. In this topic, this much enough. Just practice this at home. If you get any difficulty, contact me. I will guide you. I will help you. Thank you. And once again I am showing the code. What to do? Just set inbuilt LED high for 1 second, set inbuilt LED low for 1 second. Means make the LED on for 1 second, again off for 1 second. It's very easy. Okay. Thank you.